Hey Anthony, you want to go to the carpool lane?
Yeah! Let's go!
This is lame. You call this a carpool?
I have an idea! Hello, welcome. We're your hosts,
Taylor Jorgensen,
Anthony Minson,
and we're doing this
just because! This time on Just Because,
we're making a special project.
and it will be filling this with water.
Operation Carpool.
Hey look, you can take a bath in the garage.
Step 1. Attach the hose.
Step 2. Apply the tarp.
Step 3. Apply duct tape.
Him applying the duct tape.
You probably shouldn't do the dance party with the knife, huh?
I would totally have a dance party with a knife.
I think we're ready for water.
Wait,
Oh,
there's
crap.
holes in the
There's
tarp.
holes in the tarp.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, failed.
Duct tape!
Duct
Fix the
tape.
holes.
Don't worry. With the use of our olive curing adhesive, we've totally fixed it. Crisis averted. The carpool is now ready to be filled.
Anyway, step 4. Activate water.
Oh, feel the water. It's warm.
Yeah.
It'll be like a bathtub outside.
5. Apply water. Bring it here. Oh no, we got a kink. Oh my gosh! Let's hope duct tape is waterproof.
Yeah, because if it's not,
We're in trouble.
we're in big trouble.
Engage Dr. Pepperoni break!
Step 6.
If there are too many leaks, like ours, and you're just dumping water out like gallons by the minute, you may need to include another tarp. Number 7. Apply secondary hose.
More water intake.
Twice, or half the time. Twice the water. Step number 8.
Apply bubble bath. Healing waters, orchid, hydrangea. Hydrangea.
Let's take this for a spin.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too fast.
Speed bump. We're totally leaving a trail.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm sliding.
Oh my god, we totally like that. Do you have this? Look right there. Here, let me see that.
Let's have more water, Taylor.
How did we pick that up? Taylor Kevin's going in the car.
AJ's coming up next to 771 GHC.
Taylor, we lost 7 more water.
Yeah, the water level totally dropped. Oh, sweet. We found the duct tape, I see. Step,
Rolling.
the step 9 or
Yeah, step 9.
step 9. Are you recording?
Yeah.
So, it's gonna be scary. Everybody's like step away.
I'm back.
Ramen noodles. 50 cents.
Oh, 50 cents.
Dr. Pepper. 5 cents. It was 50 cents.
Oh, sweet.
Dax chips.
Oh my
$1.
$1.
Bubble soap. $1. Beach ball. $1. Minson's water bill.
Yeah, probably like a whole bunch.
$50.
I don't even know.
Having a real life carpool.
Priceless.
This has been another episode of
Just because. Hasn't it, Ted?
Yes. Hello, welcome. We're your hosts. Sorry.
Just in. Ramen noodles should not sit for as long as steps 1, 2, and 3.
You've never touched it.
My noodle. Hey. Hey. Oh. Ew.